The Bank of England digital pound CBDC will be built on Quant QNT, Hedera HBAR, and Ripple XRP. Right now, I'm going to show you a clip of Gilbert Verdian, the CEO of Quant, saying how and confirming how the digital pound was literally built on the Quant Overledger technology. Listen to this.
Using our platform, which is called Overledger, to create central bank digital currencies. We did the work with the Bank of England and the BIS on Project Rosalind. We issued the digital pound. We created the infrastructure around it, around the API, and then we allowed the industry to test in a real world setting what.
Everyone, if you hold Quant QNT right now, destroy the like button, share this video, send this video to everyone that you have been telling about Quant. If they haven't bought Quant yet, send them this video right here. Literally, the digital pound, the United Kingdom's digital pound will be built on Quant QNT, officially confirmed by the CEO of Quant. And also, Quant QNT, on their official webpage right here, it says how they are trusted by the top central banks and global financial institutions all over the world. Right here, Quant is partnered up with the Bank of England and the Bank of International Settlements and UK Finance. Right here, as you can tell. And they say how we have worked on the digital pound. Right here, literally, on the digital pound, on the official webpage of Quant QNT, they have confirmed it. The Bank of England CBDC is coming very soon. The Digital Pound Foundation, this right here, is in charge of building the digital pound with the United Kingdom. And as you can tell, top members and partners include Quant QNT right here, right next to Ripple XRP. So XRP and Quant QNT are both working together on this digital pound foundation to build the digital pound in the United Kingdom. And they are also partnered up with the Digital Euro Association. Yes, there is so much proof between Ripple, XRP, Quant QNT, HBAR, XLM. They're all building the digital euro as well, and the digital dollar project. Literally, both the digital euro and the digital dollar projects are part of this digital pound foundation with, you guessed it, Quant QNT and Ripple XRP. Building the digital pound foundation right now, everyone. And also, the digital pound is going to have offline transactions. The Bank of England released a brand new report right here, as you can tell, about offline payments. Offline payments has to be part of the digital pound CBDC in the United Kingdom. But why is this important to Quant QNT, Hedera HBAR, and XRP? IDEMIA has worked with the Bank of England for their offline payments in their CBDC. Officially confirmed right here. Literally, IDEMIA, Bank of England, CBDCs, offline payments. That's what we're speaking about right now. IDEMIA also released this report right here by IDEMIA, the same company that's partnered with the Bank of England. They released this report right here titled Offline CBDC Payments. As you can tell, they speak about offline payments. Now, this is important because on page 24 of this report, they speak about the best CBDC solution providers to allow offline payments. And they speak literally about Hedera HBAR, how they're using HBAR in their solution, because they're speaking about their solution, IDEMIA's solution for offline payments, and how they're using the HBAR Foundation, HBAR's technology, the DLT HBAR's blockchain, basically. They're using that, and Ripple XRP. Everyone, this is official. IDEMIA, the same company that is partnered up with the Bank of England to allow offline payments in the digital pound CBDC, that same company is using Hedera HBAR and Ripple XRP. Like, I don't know how much more proof you need that they are literally, the Bank of England is using Hedera HBAR and XRP and QNT. There is so much proof. And this solution by IDEMIA is huge because they speak about the solution and they speak about how offline payments is a must-have feature. And this IDEMIA solution is flexible. It can work with any CBDC platform, all centralized and decentralized ledgers for payments, for security, for stuff like that. But what's important is this right here. It has been recognized by international institutions like the BIS, the Bank of International Settlements, the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, the United Nations, the World Bank, and more, and other large central banks like the Bank of Indonesia and huge financial institutions are using this solution already. This solution that IDEMIA is using, Hedera HBAR and XRP, and is huge. Big central banks around the world are using this solution. They have already seen it. And the Bank of England also has mentioned how they have worked with Ripple in the past. Yes, Ripple's proof of concept on the official webpage of the Bank of England. Right here, they speak about Ripple, how they tested it. Now, this was back in 2017, but this is a report right here, and they speak about real-time gross settlement payments and how Ripple can be used for that. So this is still huge. Even though this was from about 10 years ago, this is still big. The fact that they still have it on their official webpage is still there for everyone to see is huge. And right now, also Quant on their webpage have said how they have collaborated with the Bank of International Settlements and the Bank of England on Project Rosalind. Now, Project Rosalind is important, and Quant's technology that is used in the Bank of England CBDC digital pound is now available for use for any business to use right now. The overledger technology of Quant is being used on many other things, not just the Bank of England. So Quant is working on the digital pound, everyone. It has been confirmed. It is official. Quant QNT, Hedera HBAR, and Ripple XRP are all going to build the digital pound in the United Kingdom. So right now, if you live in the UK or if you live anywhere around the world, destroy the like button, share this video. I love you all. Subscribe, join us, and I will see you very soon. Until next time, Crypto AI Man.